Hello everybody. In this lesson, we are going to look at pivot chart. This is the pivot table that I have created. So what I have brought? I have brought genre to row and sum of gross revenue to value. Okay. Suppose I want to create one pivot chart. Okay. As you know that Excel is having a lot of options to create charts. But how this pivot chart is different from normal Excel charts? You must understand. Okay. There are some of the benefits while we use pivot charts. Okay, there are basically three advantages of pivot charts. Okay, while we prepare the normal chart, what we need to do, we have to select the entire data that we want to use in the chart. But here, we don't need to select the entire data. Rather, what we can do, we can be inside the pivot table. Okay, any of the cells of the pivot table, and simple we can. The process is same. We can select insert, then there are different kinds of charts depending on our requirement. We can also use this. I want to use a, a clustered column chart. Okay, you can see I can make it. Okay, this is how I can prepare. Okay, suppose I want to prepare the top 5. Okay, instead of going for all, so let us use value filter here. Value filter, this is the top 10. Okay, instead of top 10 I will use top 5. You can see we are getting it top 5 of the uh, genre. I am getting this. Okay, so but it is automatically, no need to worry about expanding and contracting data. Whatever we make the choices, it will come. Okay, this is another advantages. Okay, so in case of normal Excel charts, what we have to do, we have to once again select the data. Okay, and we have to select insert charts. Okay, but here what happens when we are controlling this chart? Okay, means the table, controlling the table, the changes is also reflecting here in the chart and vice versa. Okay, it will happen. Okay, you can control also pivot charts using pivots table and vice versa. Okay, suppose let me also add color here to filters. You can see, you see, add color to filters. We are getting here, we have this black and white. Suppose colors, I want to see colors. Okay, we are getting the change. Suppose I want to see the uh, like mm, black and white. I have selected, this is color. Okay, so we are getting the change. Okay, suppose I want to add data. Suppose, let us see, we have also another value that is called budget. Budget we have, I will add budget here. Budget to budget here, you can see. So by default it is adding. We don't need to once again create the chart. By default, when we add data to our chart or to the different boxes, to the different fields, here within the boxes, it will automatically add. Okay, so there are basically, let us repeat. So when we prepare pivot chart, there are basically three advantages we are getting over the normal Excel chart. Number one, we don't need to select entire data in order to create a chart, but this is also, this was happening in case of normal chart. Number two, no need to worry about expanding and contracting data. Simply add data to pivot table. Okay, this will automatically expand or contract. Okay, and number three, you can also control pivot table by using your pivot chart. Okay, we have seen also different colors have been added. Okay, that's for the lesson. See you in the next one.